Welcome to our tutorial on deleting unnecessary sales channels and the installation directory. In this video, we'll show you how to safely delete unnecessary sales channels and remove the installation directory for better security and organization. After installing the osCommerce v4, you can delete all unnecessary sales channels by clicking on the Sales Channels tab, selecting the required sales channels, and then clicking on the Delete button. Here is the default one, so let us click on another one in order to delete it. Note: before you proceed with it, make sure you assign the required categories and products to the default sales channel by clicking on Assign Categories Products button and checking the boxes next to the required categories products and clicking on Assign button. Let us go back to the default sales channel, Assign Categories and Products. Let us choose Just Watch and click on Assign button. Now you can delete all the unnecessary sales channels. Click on Dashboard tab. You can see the warning asking you to remove the installation directory for security reasons. With FTP access, you get set up the connection to the server via the FTP client you usually use and remove the installation directory as well as symbolic links for all the unnecessary sales channels. This is FTP client, so highlight all the sim links and also install and delete them. Refresh the page to make sure the warning does not show up any longer. That's it, the extra sales channels are removed, and the installation directory has been deleted for security. Your osCommerce setup is now cleaner and more secure. You can continue configuring your website, and check out the links below for more tutorials on osCommerce 4.x installation options.